I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. Through this evening, scattered thunderstorms remain possible with a disturbance tracking to the southeast. For locations along the southwest of a line from Lexington to Mankato through this evening to 10, there is a marginal risk of severe storms, a level 1 at 5, quarter-size hail, and wind gust up to 60 are the main hazards. Thunderstorms may linger across the central and east after midnight tonight. Highs tomorrow are in the 70s with increasing sunshine. Any thunderstorms tomorrow night look to be spotty. South winds ahead of approaching low pressure warm those highs into the upper 70s to the mid-80s for Sunday and Monday. As low pressure moves across the plains, thunderstorm chances return late Monday into Wednesday. The highest chances Monday night. Highs cool into the low to mid-70s for Tuesday and Wednesday before rebound into the mid to upper 70s on Thursday. Checking the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Wednesday through the first 2 days of October expected to be warmer than normal, mostly near normal rainfall predicted for Nebraska and Kansas the mid to late part of next week before a trend of slightly above normal rainfall next weekend through October 2nd. There is a slight increase in dryness in the latest regional drought monitor, Nebraska dropping a percentage point to 52% drought-free. Drought-free locations are in most of central Nebraska to the north of I-80, much of Lincoln County to the southwest, and all of eastern Nebraska. It's abnormally dry in the south central and southwest for locations along and south of a line from Curtis to Kearney and Grand Island, northwest Lincoln County to the Sandhills and north central, along with the far southern panhandle. Coverage of moderate to severe drought increasing a percentage point to 18% of Nebraska to include northwest Harlan County and northern Keith County to much of the panhandle. Kansas decreased 3 percentage points, but is still 77% drought-free. Abnormal dryness is found in northern areas of Decatur to Phyllis County, many areas from Jewell County to the northeast, far eastern Kansas, and the southwest corner. There was a 3 percentage point increase to 5% of Kansas being in moderate drought, including Belleville and Concordia to Marysville, right around Westmoreland, and towards Kansas City. Key weather factors influencing the markets include heavy rain for the central U.S., rain across Argentina, Europe, and Australia, and the start to the wet season in central Brazil. Storminess across the nation's midsection continues and slowly builds eastward. 5-day rainfall totals 1 to 3 inches or more from the eastern plains into much of the Midwest and portions of the Mid-South. Late in the weekend and early next week, mostly light rain overspreads the eastern Corn Belt, but much of the eastern U.S. remains mostly dry. In Europe, rain this last month is favorable for filling summer crops and planting winter crops. Southern Europe, that's been drier, is even in line for good rain next week. For Australia, all locations are seeing an increase in soil moisture, but frost this weekend in eastern Australia could be damaging to wheat. Argentina's soil moisture continues to be boosted and favorable for early planting of corn and sunflowers, but a chance of frost should keep many producers out of the field until at least late next week. Central Brazil planting is on hold until rainfall is more consistent next month to begin soybean planting. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.